Hey guys, so in this series of my videos, I'm going to show you how to save passwords on your iPad. I don't know about you, but it's hard to remember all the passwords we're asked to keep for different websites. So you guys might have passwords for Canvas, your Gmail, IXL, Common Lit, and whatever else your teachers use as an external resource for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your settings. When you're in your settings, you're going to scroll down on the left hand side and you're going to find what's called passwords and accounts. You click on that and you go to website and app passwords. Then in order to add one, you go to the plus sign, you'll type in the website, your username, your password. Alright, and once you have that, you click done and it saves. And then you just go back out and you're good. I'm just going to delete this because obviously that's not my real password. I wouldn't put that out there. And when you save your passwords, you're able to access them. And sometimes, like with IXL, if you save your password where I just showed you, it will log you in automatically and keep you signed in. So I hope this helps. Bye.